How do you use Snapchat Drawing Tools feature? To use the Snapchat's Drawing Tool feature, first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device, then proceed to capture a media by simply tapping on the shutter button from the bottom center. Or you can also choose any media from the Memories tab. Now tap on this pencil-like icon from the right-hand side, and you can now go ahead and simply use your finger to draw across your media. You can also use this color picker option to choose your desired color. Once you select your desired color or use this glider, you simply have to leave it and there you go. Now you can draw anything over here. You can also use this icon over here with a pencil to pick up any color from the image itself. You can also tap on this emoji option to draw with emoji. Once you're done, you can simply go ahead and proceed to send it to your story or your friends. You can also reverse it by tapping on this reverse arrow icon. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.